How are you? My name is Felix and I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm excited to be able to present my topic for this week, which is content management systems. So I'll begin by definition of terms. Content management systems are, I would say, third-party softwares which are used by different web developers or web engineers in their development process. It is, however, very important to be able to master the fundamental use of some of the tools we have in web development. Like it's paramount that someone first teaches themselves how to use HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript or any other language in programming before they start using content management systems. Here we see some of the popular uses and some of the types of content management systems which are out there. CMS or content management systems are there to help to manage, to optimize, to develop, to extend, to create and to measure, to deliver and to modify different websites or blogs or any online platform which is out there. Some of the popular content management systems which are out there, beginning with the most popular one is WordPress, followed by Joomla, there's Umbraco, Concrete 5, there's PrestaShop, there's TWiki, there's Magento from Adobe. Some of the advantages of CMS systems is they reduce maintenance. They have zero dependency, they save time and efforts, and they have simplified content management systems. They have complete control and are SEO friendly, which just means they help enhance your search engine optimization. Joomla, after WordPress, Joomla is the second most popular CMS. It's a free-to-use CMS that has an impressive set of features packed into it and supports more than 60 languages. It's a good fit for any website that needs comprehensive content management, for example, educational institutions or complex websites like social networks. So even if we learn the fundamental technologies, it becomes prerogative for us to at least pick one content management system we'll use at some point. It helps to manage our back end and other systems which are important as part of our websites. Unless otherwise we have our own personal servers where we constantly update and service them, but the best is to use a CMS software. We have Drupal, and then Drupal is also quite a comprehensive CMS system. It can be used for advanced or for larger institutions. It can be used in tourism, it can be used in government institutions. Magento is also a CMS system from the Adobe company, which is mostly used in the e-commerce with Squarespace, which is a paid tool. It's recommended for professional bloggers, artists, and the like. And then most of us, I'm pretty sure we know Wix, which is also a very popular CMS system. And then we've Ghost CMS. So how someone can get started with CMS, get started using content management systems, with the exception of Squarespace and Wix, all the CMS systems I highlighted are self-hosted, which means you can be able to get started if you purchase your web hosting and install the CMS software on your hosting. And then if we configure the CMS settings to control style and functionality. Thank you. So I just wanted to just quickly show you an example of how a CMS can probably function. I have my own personal blog, which I manage using the Blogspot. It's a typical sort of example of a CMS system. But you can also manage blogs using the tumblr.com. It's a popular CMS system which is used for blogs and things like that. So this is Felix Digital Journal ZW. Not all those that wander lost in this. This is a nice picture here. I usually write different stories like mission experience, POA Pathway Worldwide Devotional, role of disruptive technologies in higher education. So my content are organized in a sort of like a grid layout. Then there's a banner image here and a header. But all this, I didn't actually go about trying to program this. I just used my CMS and I manage multiple blogs. And then whenever I want to create a post, I just create post. And then it automatically gives me a pop-up where I can be able to fill in some information. And then all that goes on is a draft. I may need to delete this unless otherwise I want to put some new content. So it also has a forum, like here it's saying I can join Google Web Creators Community, blah blah blah. That's if I want to do that. And if I wanted to have a customized domain, I could actually pay for that. You know, get money from it also. And yeah, that's how CMS softwares work. They help developers to be more productive. They cut costs and also they help cut time to take to complete a project. In other words, we don't need to reinvent the engine when we are using CMS softwares. But though it's paramount important for us to master the fundamental languages, which can also help us to gain a better accent as we're now using our CMS softwares. Thank you very much, team. If you guys have questions, please post in the discussion board and we can be able to learn together and be able to share thoughts and insights. Thank you very much.